Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to show you that what's the difference between standard and console app. So app is nothing but a collection of objects, and then you can have a two different type of navigation. One is a standard navigation, other one is a console navigation. So let me quickly show you. So let's say if you go to service, I'm just opening it to the new tab. So if you go to the service app and then click on accounts, so it will show you the list of recently viewed, right? Now, if you click on, let's say, Burlington, so you will see Burlington record under the account tab. If you want to see any other, let's say, test accounts, so you will see test accounts. So you can see one account at a time. You cannot see multiple accounts at a time. If you want to see another account, again, let's say Express, so you will see Express account. Same thing will happen with the other objects. Like you want to see the contacts, let's say Barbara, so it's Barbara. And if you click on any other contact, let's say Josh, so you will see Josh. So okay, right, and if you click on cases, so if it will show cases, and same thing happen with the cases as well. So one you will one record at a time under the same object, right? But what happened that if you have console app, let's say service, and then there is a service console, so it's a console app. So here you will see multiple records of the same object. So if you want to see, let's say, accounts, right, and here if you click on Express, so you are seeing Express. Let me close it 1 second so that I can start. Okay, so here if you click on Express, it's opening a tab Express. Now if you click on test account, it's opening a second tab, right? So it's keep opening a tab. So now if you click on Burlington, another tab. And let's say if you under the Burlington, if you click on Jack as a contact, so it's opening a sub tab under the Burlington, correct? So let's say if you go to Express, and here you're clicking on Josh, so it's opening a sub tab. If you click on cases, so it's again a sub tab. So that's how it's working. Let's say if you go to the contact and click on you click on Josh. So now, since you are on a contacts object and clicking on Josh, so it's opening into the new tab here, right? So it will not open a sub tab because right now you have clicked on this record, and now if you click on this case, so it's opening a sub tab, right? So that's how you will see multiple records at one glance, while into the standard navigation you are seeing one record at a time. So that's what the theory is as well. That in the standard app, it's provide a tab-based view for navigating record, where it's a multiple tab, but every tab is representing its own record, its own object, and then you will see one record at a time. It shows the records in the full page view, and you are just navigating back and forth. In the console app, it's a split screen where you can view the multiple records. So like a call center where agent want to see want to handle the multiple accounts together. So that's where this is useful. So how will you create it? So you need to go to you need to go to the setup, and then under setup you need to find the app manager. And once you are on app manager, you will you will see the list of apps which are already created, and you can create the new one here, new lightning app. And in the new lightning app you just need to provide the name. Okay, and next and here you will choose whether navigation style will be the standard or the console. So in this one I'm just choosing the standard. Using this, do you want to add utility items? So you want to see any utility item in the bottom, so you can select that. So let's say I want chat feed, So I selected that. Here I'm just selecting the account and contact, and here I'm just choosing a profile that it should be visible to system admin and finishing it up. So now my text teaser app has been created with the standard navigation. Let me create the new one as well for the console. Okay, click new, and it will be the console, and add utility item if I want any. Okay, and account and contacts, and let me choose cases as well here. Okay, you can select the custom objects as well if you want, and it's asking when you will open account, uh, the the sub the related account should be as a sub tab or workspace tab. So I'm just keeping it as a default. Here I'm selecting system admin and save and finish. Okay, so now my both app has been created. Now let me come back here and refresh this page. And here, if I will click on this nine dot, I will see text teaser and text teaser console. So my both app has been created. Let me click on text teaser. So in the text teaser, I have chosen account and contact. So my both records are being displayed. If I click on Burlington, I will see Burlington. If I will click on S-Force, it is showing me S-Force. So I can see one record at a time. Now, if I go to text teaser console, let's see how does it look. Okay, so if I click on S-Force, so it is showing me S-Force in a tab. And if I click on Burlington, it's showing me Burlington in another tab. Now if I go to contact and click on Jack, so its Jack is coming as a separate tab. If I click on case, case is opening as a sub tab. So that's how the standard and console navigation work into the app. I hope it's very clear for you. Please try to create an app and keep your hands steady. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.